Delhi reported less than 1,000 new COVID-19 cases for the first time in 7 weeks on Monday, as AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria said the national capital seems to have hit the peak, but cautioned against any lowering of guard.
Delhi recorded 954 cases on Monday, according to a health department bulletin. The bulletin said the number of tests conducted too was the lowest in July. It said 11,470 tests were conducted on previous days except for 6th July and 30th July. The number of tests ranged 19,000 to 22,000. Meanwhile, AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria has said that Delhi appears to have hit the peak but cautioned against any laxity. Guleria said, "My feeling is that certain areas have hit their peak. Delhi seems to have done so because the cases have declined significantly. But certain areas are yet to reach their peak. Cases are increasing in certain states. They will reach the peak later," he said. According to the Health Ministry bulletin, the number of deaths from the coronavirus infection in Delhi has risen to 3,663 with 35 fresh fatalities, and the total number of cases reached 1,23,747. The active cases have declined steadily over the last week, bringing the figure down to 15,166, the lowest in 44 days, while the recovery rate touched nearly 85%. This is for the first time since 1st June that less than 1,000 cases were recorded in 24-hour span. For the last 9 days, fresh cases were being reported in the range of 1,000 to 2,000. Delhi had crossed the 1,000 mark in COVID-19 tally on April 11. On 23rd June, it reported the highest single-day spike of 3,947 till date. The number of containment zones in the city stands at 696. As COVID-19 numbers appear to be declining steadily, the Aam Aadmi Party jumped to credit the Kejriwal model for the success. AAP Rajya Sabha member Sanjay Singh said, amid the pandemic, the Delhi government led by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has successfully fought this battle. Kejriwal led this battle from the front, Singh said, adding COVID warriors including doctors, nurses, sanitation workers and police officials were in this fight together. The Kejriwal model of fighting the COVID battle is now not only being discussed in our country, but it is being discussed across the world, he said. Sanjay Singh said the centre needs to admit that community spread of the coronavirus is happening in the country and follow Delhi's lead in containing the virus by ramping up testing on a large scale. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are the biggest example in this respect, where testing is being carried out just in name only, Singh alleged. The BJP, however, said the centre brought the coronavirus situation under control after it had gone out of the Delhi government's hand. Hitting back at the Sanjay Gandhi, Delhi BJP General Secretary Rajesh Bhatia said the Aam Aadmi Party is running away from its responsibilities. Now they are saying there is community spread. If it is so, what were they doing to stop it? The thing is, COVID situation had gone out of Delhi government's hand and was brought under the control of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Bhatia said. Bureau Report.